Hi guys and welcome to today's educational market analysis video. So today the Nifty 50 is opening around 22,847 and this are how the main indices are opening. So some are red and some are in a green side. So let's see how the market will perform for today. So we'll see what are the educational learning part we will get to learn in today's live trading session. Okay, so this is the first 15 minutes candle, so it's not at close. Okay, so let's wait for some time in the market to start its momentum and we'll see how the momentum will be there in today's market. So guys, now the time is around 9:30 a.m. So the second candle is being formed here. So I think the market is now turning towards a bullish side. So the Nifty 50 is now started to go up. Okay. So yes, as we know, we have a resistance level somewhere around 23,000. So 23,000 is acting as a main resistance level from the last few days, what we are seeing according to the analysis. So that's the resistance level what we have. So now the market had opened at 22,847 and now it is in a upper side, as you guys can see here. So yes, the 9:30 candle is also being formed a big. So let's see if the market is able to give the breakout on the 23,000 level, which is a main resistance level. Okay, so yes, now it's around 22,950 levels. Okay, so now the time is almost close to 10 o'clock. So you can see here even the third candle is formed a big green candle here, indicating big number of buyers here. So yes, let's see if this momentum will continue for today or will it reverse once it touches the resistance level. So we'll observe the today's market. So we'll come to know what are the educational part we can take in today's live analysis. Okay, so yes, 22,950, 980 almost. So now the fourth candle is being formed. So please note the analysis what we are doing is in 15 minutes time frame. So let's see how it will perform now. So this is a 10-hour candle now in 15 minutes time frame, the fourth candle. So now we can see that some resistance is being pulled off, so some sellers are there. So now the market is consolidating. So let's see if it will consolidate and go up or we'll see a retracement in the resistance level for today. Okay, so as of now it's been dragged down by almost 40 to 50 points in this red candle what we are seeing here. Okay, so yes, 22,980 again. So okay, so the fifth candle is being formed and that is going bullish again. So after a little bit of a consolidation and now the market is up, so it has given a little bit of a breakout on 23,000 today. So as you guys can see, 23,030 is where the Nifty 50 is trading right now. So around 10:15 we can see here the breakout has been done. So this is just a breakout, so we'll analyze whether this breakout will hold for today or not. Okay, so yes, let's wait for some time and see how the market will perform. Okay, so guys, yes, as of now the high made is 23,049 around 10:15 a.m. So this is the highest point what it has made as of now. And after that, as you guys can see here, the red candle is trying to get formed. Okay, so I guess the resistance level has been taken here from Nifty 50, but we'll see overall how the market will perform for today. I'll show you the end of the day chart analysis as well, and also we'll be analyzing one of the index chart according to our study in this video. So after some time we'll select any of the index chart and we'll see how it will perform. So yes, now you can see here even the next red candle is being formed here. So this confirms that the resistance has been taken in Nifty 50. So I think now we can see some of a downward momentum in Nifty 50. So let's see till where the market can go down and take a support again, or we'll see if the market can reverse somewhere and go up. So I think now the resistance has been taken and now the market can come down. Okay, so morning suddenly the market for the first 1 hour or for first 45 minutes it was in a very big bullish run, as you guys can see. Later the main resistance level of 23,000 has been taken and now the market has been dragged down. Okay, so yes, now the market is back to 22,900 levels. So from here we can observe how the market will perform. Okay, and also after few minutes I'll just see if I can analyze any of the other index chart as well. Okay, so guys, now the time is almost around 1 o'clock, and this is how the Nifty 50 is being performed now. So yes, lower highs has been formed, and you can see here now I'm in the right side. Now I'm analyzing the Nifty IT chart. So I'm going to show you with one of the example what it has formed here. So it has formed like a flag kind of pattern here, and if it breaks towards the downside, then we can see the index might come down, or if it breaks towards the upper side, we can see the index might go up. So this is just a price action what I'm trying to show you here. This is not any tips or any recommendation, this is only for education purpose. So now the Nifty IT is around 41,150 level or somewhere around there. So from here, let's see how the Nifty IT will perform. Okay, and at the left side we can see Nifty 50 chart as well. So Nifty 50, you can see here how the higher lows are declining and now the lower lows are made. So we'll see if the market will continue to hold here and go up, or will the market come down from here. Okay, so this is just an analysis what I have according to my view. Okay, so you can observe now. And also, if you guys are interested in learning and improving your trading skill, you can join our educational stock market course today. So you can message me on the number displayed on the screen, and we'll be guiding you about the educational course. And please note, in our course we teach you only for the educational purpose, we do not provide any financial recommendation. Okay, so if you guys want to learn how to analyze the chart and want to improve your trading skill and want to learn the trading discipline, you can join us today. And please note, trading does involve risk. So in our course, we'll be guiding you about the risk management also. Okay. So yes, now coming back to the charts. At the left, we see Nifty 50 chart, which is being consolidated here, no much momentum. And at the right, we can see Nifty IT has come down. So almost from 41,150 to 41,200 levels to it has come down till 40,950 levels as of now. So we'll see how the market and how this charts will perform for today. So anyway, I'll be showing you the end of the day chart analysis as well. So now we can see both Nifty 50 and Nifty IT index is being consolidated a bit. So we'll wait for some time and see at which side we'll get more momentum. And now we can see here again a big red candle has been formed in Nifty 50, and the same is being formed in Nifty IT as well. So 40,850 level almost, if you guys can see at the right side, even Nifty IT is coming down now. Okay, so you can see Nifty 50 has started taking a support again around 22,850 level somewhere over there. So guys, now we'll do the end of the day chart analysis of Nifty 50, just a overview. So this is how the market has performed today. So the lowest point what it has touched today is around 22,816, and the highest point what it has touched today is around 23,051. Okay, so that's the highest point. So if we measure from the lowest point to the highest point, what it has done today is almost 1% up. So it's almost 233 points gain here, and after this gain from 23,049, it has come down till almost 22,860 by 189 points down, which is minus 0.82%. Okay, so here we can observe that two big red candles have denoting a huge sell off here, one at 10:45, okay, and another one at 2:15 p.m. Okay, so you can see here this two candle was a very big red candle indicating a big sell off. So this candle high was 22951 and the lowest point is 22861, so almost 90 points down in one single 15 minutes time frame candle. And here we can see the high of this particular candle was 23028 around 10:45, and the low is 22926. So here also these two candle are showing a huge sell off volume in Nifty 50 for today. And after that big sell off was done, we can see that around 2:30 the market has taken a support somewhere close to 22,860, and from there it has consolidated a bit and it has gone up again till almost 22,950, and today the closing is done somewhere close to 22,000 900 for today. So this is how the Nifty 50 has performed. So yes, as we guys can see here, the momentum was given for the first 1 hour on the upper side. Later, remaining the rest of the day, the moment has given towards the downside in Nifty 50. And now coming to the Nifty IT chart. So in Nifty IT, what happened was the first 15 minutes candle itself was a big red candle, as you guys can see here. Later, the strong support somewhere close to 40,780 level was taken in Nifty IT sector. So this support has acted good, and then till 10:30 the IT sector was pushed up by taking this support, and it has gone up till the next resistance level of 41,350. So once this resistance level was touched, sellers came in and pushed the index down for the entire day. And again, you can see the indexes has closed at 40,888.50 for today. So guys, this is an overall comprehensive and educational analysis for today what we have done. So if you guys are interested in learning more about stock market trading and improving your skill and analysis skill, you can join us now by contacting me on the number displayed on the screen. I thank you guys so much for watching this video. Have a good day. I'll see you guys in the next one very soon.